This video introduces the concept of virtual data stack factory and its automation. A data set is a collection of data. A data stack is a stack of related data sets built on top of one another. In case of relational data, a data set may correspond to one or more database tables, with or without entity dependencies, and a data stack may correspond to a larger number of tables, built on top of one another, with subsystem dependencies. A data stack combines several related data sets, specific to a particular domain, into a single large instance. A virtual data stack is a data stack containing synthetic data, generally belongs to a particular domain. A virtual data stack factory is a set of related methods, or algorithms, that facilitates the creation of data stack for a particular domain. Data stack factory automation is the process of automating the generation of virtual data stack.